This is my review of the Simply Good Coffee Brewer. This is an 8-ounce coffee brewer. It makes some really great coffee. I also have one of the Motormasters. That's the higher end version. It's the same thing. That one it does 10 cups. This one here does 8. But other than that, it's a very similar brewing experience. The taste is pretty much hand in hand, same thing with the Motormaster and the Simply Good Coffee machine. Very happy with it. I really like the fact that it's very easy to clean. Each part comes out. But right here, it holds eight cups of water right here. It just goes in here really nice and easy. And then the grounds just go in here. So you can see here, this is how it turns right here. This just turns. And then I have the grounds loaded up in here. I use 2 quarter cups for the 8 cups of coffee here. So 2 quarter, so basically a half a cup of grounds. Everybody makes it differently. That's just how I do it. And then I like the fact that this thing is really easy to clean. The glass carafe is really nice, just comes in and out really easy. Then it has this section right here where you could change it if you want to take it while it's still brewing. It'll stop brewing, hold it in here. And it's got this bloom feature on here that makes it slow drip. We just leave that on all the time, but a very simple machine. It's only got the chew on and off and the bloom feature here, so you don't have any crazy things like that. We've used this thing for a couple weeks now, very pleased with it. But again, if you're looking at the Motormaster, it's a great machine. But if you're looking for something in this price range, this is a great machine also. So either one of them, you're going to be very pleased with it. The coffee is really great. Highly recommend it.